Alright folks, here's a quick video to show you how to install this DJI Osmo Pocket into the waterproof case. And I've already tested this out to make sure it was waterproof without putting this in here, and I recommend you do the same. When you get this thing, you know, screw the top on, take it down in the pool to depth, and you know, make sure that it doesn't have any leaks or it's going to ruin your camera. So I've already tested it. It's seems to be watertight. So what you have to do to get your camera ready is go ahead and power it on. And then swipe down and you'll scroll to the right all the way until you see this little guy right here. Now that's grayed out, but basically what you want to do is tap it, and it's going to tell you to power off Osmo before placing in the waterproof case. So now that you've activated the waterproof case setting, you hit power off. Okay, let it power off, and then this is how we put it in here. There's a look down in the case. Just got 2 buttons on it, and that's the window. So obviously you take it with the window side, slide that bad boy down in there, and then you've got this piece right here, and I can't remember which way it goes, so we'll just test it. It just snaps in there. Is that the right way? Now I'll just try it the other way. Okay, so it'll only go one way, and basically that's going to be up. So like the little grooves. So if you can see that, this fly keeps following me. So just put it down in the grooves right there. And okay, so I heard a snap that time. So it snaps in place. And then just go ahead and screw the top on. And I'm filming on an iPhone. I guess I could have got somebody to assist me with this, but and make sure you don't cross thread it. You know, make sure it gets properly seated on there. Which, doing it one-handed, I think I've successfully done it, but I'm going to check it. I'm going to stop the camera and check it with 2 hands. But I'll show you, you know, power it on. And you can switch from video to photo. And then just hit the record button. And bear in mind, this thing, there's basically 0 audio. I mean, I can show you, but there's no audio when you put it in this case, folks. So there you go. And if you take a look at this guy, there it is in there, and it's on first person view. Wherever you point, I mean, it's got a little bit of smoothness to it, but basically wherever you point, that's where it's going. And there you go. So we'll power it off, and I'm gonna use 2 hands and make sure I've properly secured the lid. And then we'll take it in the pool here, my friends. See what this bad boy will do. I'm shooting 4K 60 frames per second on the iPhone, and I'm shooting 4K 60 on the Osmo Pocket as well. Now the footage on the Osmo Pocket beats the iPhone. Okay, so there you go. We got it tightened down. And let's go ahead and hit record. And we're recording. Maybe I'll pit the cameras against one another here. Can't flip the camera around and do selfie mode. But I can pretty much tell them in frame right here, but you're not getting no audio.